Tree parts and functions. Trees keep our air clean by turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. Every part of a tree plays a specific role. The roots spread deep underground and keep the tree standing upright. They're covered in very small hairs that suck up water and minerals from the ground. The trunk is the central part of the tree. It takes water and minerals from the roots to the branches, twigs, and finally the leaves. The crown is the top part of a tree, and it is made up of leaves and branches. It shades the roots from the sun and stops them from drying out. It also gathers energy from the sun and releases extra water into the environment to cool down the tree. The leaves are the most important part of the tree. They are full of chlorophyll, a special substance that absorbs sunlight. It allows the tree to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose, which the tree uses as food. Chlorophyll is what gives leaves their distinctive green color. Branches are connected to the trunk and have a lot of shapes and sizes. They can store glucose from the leaves and serve as a pipe for water and nutrients. A small branch is called a twig.